Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN, and I am so excited to explain to you why our Nclex pack is the key to helping you learn more effectively and efficiently in nursing school. Our team of expert nurses and nursing educators have taken all of that information that you are expected to learn and retain throughout school, and we have boiled it down to just the key points you have to know. We basically have removed all the fluff so that you can focus on what matters most. All of the key subjects that you'll need in nursing school are in the Nclex pack. So by buying this pack, you'll be saving money and you'll have the decks ready to go whenever you need those subjects throughout your nursing program. Our cards contain several key features to help you learn more effectively. Facts and concepts that are highly testable are in bold and red text, so you'll definitely want to focus on those items. In addition, we have our cool chicken hints throughout our flashcard decks. These are mnemonics or silly tricks designed to help you recall important information, and they make learning more fun. The key to learning the volume of information required by nursing programs is repetition, and flashcards are built for repetition. You can easily grab a stack of 10 to 20 cards and take them on a walk or to the gym. You can review them in between classes or while you're in the waiting room at the doctor's office. They help to break down the information into bite-sized pieces which are easier to learn. Last but not least, did you know that we have hundreds of free tutorial videos on YouTube that follow along with our flashcards? Let me tell you, our flashcards paired with our videos is a powerful combination, and it will definitely help you level up in nursing school and in your career. I invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. If you found value in this video, be sure to hit the like button and leave us a comment and let us know what you found particularly helpful.